Stevia. Stevia is derived from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant. It is extremely sweet, 200 to 300 times sweeter than sugar, and contains no calories. It's popular for those managing weight or diabetes because it doesn't raise blood sugar levels. Honey. Honey is a natural sweetener produced by bees from flower nectar. It contains antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, and has antimicrobial properties. It can be a healthier alternative to sugar when used in moderation. Monk fruit sweetener. Extracted from monk fruit, luohan guo. Monk fruit sweetener is about 150 to 200 times sweeter than sugar and contains no calories or carbohydrates. It doesn't affect blood sugar levels, making it suitable for low-carb or low-calorie diets. Maple syrup. Made from the sap of maple trees, maple syrup is rich in antioxidants and contains essential minerals like manganese and zinc. Its distinct flavor and lower glycemic index make it a healthier option compared to refined sugar. Coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is produced from the sap of the coconut palm. It retains some nutrients from the coconut, including iron, zinc, calcium, and potassium. It has a lower glycemic index than regular sugar, providing a more stable effect on blood sugar levels. Embrace the power of nature for a healthier, happier you. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a qualified practitioner before starting any new herbal treatments. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more valuable, honest, real-life tips.